Hi everyone, my name is Della Phillips. I'm an artist as well as I'm known as the Bicycle Lady. How you doing today? I'm doing great. Now before we go any further, let's get this out of the way. I need your help. Would you please consider subscribing? It doesn't cost you any money. It really would help me out. So if you enjoy these videos, I really would appreciate it if you subscribe. It'd help me out with YouTube. Thanks. So today's video will be concerning what I bought myself right before Christmas. I kind of kept it on a low key, and you'll see that here. I wouldn't call it a haul. I'm not sure about a restock. I did get one or two things replaced. So let's get to it, and let me show you what I have. So I'm going to move this to the side, and let's look at this here first. First thing is, it's quite evident, is I got a couple big wood spears. I'm using some museum tack so it doesn't roll. And I got this so as we go further with value forms in studying shapes, let me hold this here so it doesn't roll off, I would have models. And I found them at a great price. It was under $10 and I got two. And I felt it was going to be around 2.5 inches, but this is 3 inches. It makes a wonderful, wonderful model. You know, when you use lights and studying form, value, shapes, and how you can shade the shape like a circle, and with the shading and tone, how it can be made to look three-dimensional in the study of that with the different positions and different groupings. And actually, I kind of like the look of them. I have tried to find spears before and ended up accidentally getting maybe 1.5 inch spear. That combined with that and maybe some models would make a really nice tablescape. So I'll look into that as well. Next up, let's just go ahead and do the unboxing, which came in. I cut the tape and I whited out the label. So let's open this up and see what I know what we've got, but let's open it up and let me see if what I thought I ordered is what I ordered. I got this off of Amazon, and actually I got it off of eBay. I thought it was Amazon. No, it's eBay. And this here. Okay. All of the ones other than this I saw were like 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And these are supposed to be 2 inch to possibly up to 3 inches. Okay. Okay, I found my scissors. Let me get this out of the way here. And let's open this up and take a look at it. See what I mean? I mean, this would look great. And you have your other one and maybe some other smaller ones. Wouldn't that make a good tablescape? Anyway, let's put that aside. So I got a spear as part of the geometric shapes. Got a cylinder. It's like a bar triangle. A cone. Now that is a 3 inch. A pyramid. Then a cube. No rectangle. Well, I'll save the box. The box could be my rectangle. But this is pretty, oh, this is dented. This is damaged a bit. Actually, a little bit of wood off of it. I can always turn it. Yeah, you can see the line here in the hair where it got carved off. So anyway, I got that for form study. And let's see what else. Which is great. That way, now that I've decided I'm going to go into shading, values, and tones, and practicing forms, and seeing forms in drawing, so that you could have a form like this, or like this, whatever. We'll get into that. Next, Blick had a special that you could order, what is it, $49, get free shipping. And so I pretty much stayed to that limit. And I needed a new sketchbook. And I've been wanting to try this sketchbook out, which is the Stillman and Birn's Premium Zeta. It's a heavier paper. I have the Epsilon. It works great. Also, I wanted to try out the watercolor markers and see how well it works on that. And I'll have a video with how the watercolor Winsor Newton markers, along with a few select Albert Dürer markers, and how they perform directly applying and then deleting out the colors and seeing that the colors move on the paper, because that is one of the things on some of the other ones you may have some difficulty in moving the colors once you direct apply to the paper. Of course, you could always palette it off, but kind of like direct applying and then moving the colors. So that's coming, and I got that, plus it takes care of a landscape sketchbook, which I also needed. So. And I saw this. This is a new watercolor brush from Raphaël. It's a synthetic. It's supposed to be better than Kolinsky. And so in the watercolor videos, we'll find out. So that's what I got myself. It's a functional, I guess you call it a functional Christmas gift. Have a happy holiday, and you take care. Bye.